So this is a really nice product, something that we're really excited about. This is the Ninja CRISPi. It comes with two tempware dishes, a small one, which they class for your own personal use, and then a family size one. The idea being that if you wanted to create something in here, a curry or some chicken pieces, you basically can do that. You can put your sauce in, and you can then put the storage lid on, and you could pop this in the fridge, and you could leave it to marinate overnight. So when it comes to dinner time and you decide it's time to cook, you can remove the lid and you can take the pod. And this is the part which does the cooking. It will fit on either of the two size tempware dishes, and it senses which one you're using. So simply by putting this on the top, switching on, it will cook for you in a very, very short time. Once it's warm, they do say that you should always use oven gloves when moving the pot, but the bottom has rubber feet, so it's quite safe to put on wood tops, laminate, granite, marble, basically anywhere that you want to, won't be affected by the heat of the container. And then there you go, you'll be ready to serve, or maybe just cover for a few minutes until the family have all arrived, when you can open it up and serve onto the plate. Superb little product. Comes with a couple of little crisping plates that you can put in if you're air frying. So if you want to do chicken pieces, burgers, sausages, all of those things. Yeah, just a really complete little product and very simple to use.